Is Upspring Milkflow Immune Support Drink Mix really the breastfeeding booster it claims to be, or is it just another cleverly marketed wellness product riding the wave of mom-focused trends? In this video, we take a deep, honest look at what this drink is all about and whether it actually delivers on its bold promises. Touted as a must-have for nursing moms, Milkflow is sold on Amazon, Walmart, and the brand's official site, and it claims to support lactation using a blend of traditional herbs like fenugreek, blessed thistle, and anise. While also boosting immunity with vitamins C and D, the company behind it has been around since 2021, which is relatively recent but still a reassuring sign in an industry full of pop-up scams. Plus, the brand has a solid presence on social media, decent engagement from real users, and positive retail partnerships, all of which add legitimacy. When it comes to the science, some of the ingredients like fenugreek do have anecdotal and traditional backing for increasing milk supply. But modern clinical research is still mixed, and not everyone responds the same way. The reviews are just as divided. Some moms call it a lifesaver, claiming their milk supply doubled in less than 2 days, while others experience side effects like bloating, gassiness, and even fussiness in their babies. It's clear that this isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're curious about trying it, the product is tagged in this video. But just remember, while Upspring Milkflow may work wonders for some, others might find the results underwhelming or even uncomfortable. It's not a miracle in a packet, but it's also not a total scam, just something that deserves a closer, more personal evaluation before you decide.